I'm making this video going over a online web-based credit card terminal that is ideal for B2B merchants. And the reason why it's ideal for B2B merchants is we have an application that when activated, it runs in the background and it reduces the actual cost of corporate and purchasing cards. So I'll read this right from the site. The B2B payment app ensures that purchasing and corporate card payment data is passed correctly in order to qualify at an optimal level 2 and level 3 interchange rate. So I want to show you, I'm going to increase my screen here, the results of a B2B merchant using this application. You'll see here that this is a Visa US purchasing card, and because they use the app, it qualified as level 3. They processed $3,869 in volume, and their total fees were $74. So that rate right there is 1.9%. And again, that's for a purchasing card. Those type of credit cards, the interchange run at roughly anywhere from 2.5 to 2.9%. So you can see that that's a large savings, especially over the course of a month and a year. Here is a MasterCard commercial credit card that ran through it at level 3 as well. And you can see the total volume here and the total fees. So that rate, when you take 92 and divide it by 5,050, is roughly 1.9% as well. So what does this mean for your business? Let's just take, I'm going to take $50,000 for this example, but your business might do $100,000, $200,000 a month in credit cards. If you multiply that by 0.60%, which is 0.006, you get $300. So for every $50,000, when you qualify at level 3, you'll save your business $300 in fees. Reduce this screen, go back to the app, and I'm just going to show you how you run a transaction, how simple it is. So as you start running credit cards, it will save your customer profiles. So I have my name in here, but it will save all the different businesses that you work with. So I populate my name, I go up here, it will show every credit card that I've used. You simply click on it. You can see here that it fills in. Let's say we're running a card for $1,000. You would go ahead and you could put the postal code, the SEC code, and the street number. Now, it's always best to help qualify at level 2 and level 3 by adding this information, but it is optional. And if you want to require it, we can set it up where a transaction will actually decline if you don't put that information. You can create an invoice number, which will it will go on the receipt as well as it will be in your reporting. Simply charge the card, and once you do that, it will allow you to print the receipt, email the receipt, or text the receipt. Now, when you go into payments, all your payments will populate. And I'm going to choose one here just to show you. This is an Amex that was run for $338. And if you go look at the details, you'll see that the security code, the postal code, and the street address were all entered correctly. So, if you incorrectly put in, for example, the postal code, the transaction will still be approved, but there'll be a red flag here. So you can go and look at it and make sure you get that corrected for the next time. It'll also show you the history. So this is the first time this card's ever been run. As you bill this merchant or this client of yours, you'll be able to see the history on what they paid you. So there's a lot of cool tools and functionality, including creating different users for your employees to run transactions. And if you're interested in the demo, we'd be happy to stop by and go over that. But I hope you can see here that if you take a lot of purchasing in corporate cards, by activating an app like this and processing on level 2 and level 3, you can save your business a lot of money depending on how much you do in volume. That complemented with our pricing, our Interchange Plus, we're going to reduce the markup that your current provider is already charging you. So we'll save you in that area, and then you'll also save money in this area, as well as make your life easier. Give us a call. We'll put our information in the description below. Thanks.